Hi, what's going on everyone? I'm Johnny here from Experience LC. So today I have this new WPL products, which is their first tracks view RC amongst the products they have. So they name it E1. Okay, let's open it up and see what is inside the package. Let's put it out. Right, so it is well organized in the package. And so over here we have the small package of accessory, and inside the accessory package we can see there's a USB charger and a screwdriver and some wheel caps. I think later on we have a lot of work to do. Alright, let's put this aside first. And so we have a manual here. Okay, over here we have the Chinese reader manual and also English versions. Yes, there is the English versions. Right, let's open the cover up. Wow, this is the one. I would say this is pretty well finished, and so wow, there's the suspensions on every wheel. That's impressive. Okay, on the top here we have a battery compartment. It's using 14500 lithium ion battery, 600 milliamps, 7.4 volts. I think this is the same battery compared to the WPL D12. And there is a compartment here. You can open up the cap. Oh, I think this is the track wheel that's for you to travel. Some food, maybe some weapon. Right, overall is pretty good. Oh, there's a note over here. Do not play on sandy and muddy surface. I think maybe we'll stuck the track wheel, so we just follow the instructions. I will follow that. Overall, it's good, and with the interior as well. So it's well furnished, and there is a two stick over here is the simulations of the real vehicle, and so over here we have two working headlights. Alright, so let's get the battery connected. Here you go. Oh. The switch is over here. The switch is together with the battery compartments. So here you go, there's the two working headlights over here. Right, it's a LED, yellow LED. And at the rear, it doesn't have any lights. Right, this is a comment to WPL, so can you don't be so stingy that's giving more space to the battery, so easily to get it deploy or install. And the other thing, it doesn't have the long nail, so can you please do some handles so that can be easily opened. That's the only comment. For the controller, I think it's not new to most of the WPL players. It has the steering, maximum anchor adjustment, and the high-low speed mode. And so it's required 2 AA battery. So let's get it installed. So let's turn on. For this time around, you just need to turn the steering knobs so that it will bound to the vehicle. Wow, its turning angle is literally impressive, and the throttle is proportional as well. And the turning is proportional as well. I can stand on its own ground, that's impressive. For the accessory, I will refer to the manual to avoid it goes wrong. So let's pull out all the accessory that we have. You can see there's a sticker and USB charger, and lots of caps, and the small caps over here. Not sure what are those. Later on we'll find out. And here is the view cap. So I think I will start with the view cap first. Okay, let's get it started. After install all the accessory on the vehicle, but I've realized there is a missing door. So from the package, I only received one door. So I immediately reported to the WPL support. They are very helpful, and I'm kinda happy with their services because they are going to send over the left door to me.
Nice.
Alright, so let's take this vehicle to test it out. But wait, we have to get our battery fully charged before the first run hit the road. Let's do it.
A few moments later.
Alright, that's all I have for the WPL E1. So hopefully they will release the tank versions on WPL E2 perhaps. And you don't want to miss the battle between the E1 and C14. So check out the video and the link above. Right, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.